Now, the Supreme Court panel on farm laws has submitted its report to the top court. The panel submitted its report after consultation with 85 farm unions, and this was submitted in a sealed cover. CJI Bobde-led bench will evaluate the report in the coming days. Meenakshi joining us for more details. Meenakshi, this is important here. This report, after consultation with 85 different farmer unions, has now finally been submitted to the top court.
Well, yes, this is a report which could prove to be substantial, and insofar as breaking the impasse or the deadlock between the farmers' unions and the government is concerned. Also, what is very pertinent to remember that several of the farm unions had not participated in the consultative process which was undertaken by the Supreme Court constituted committee. Now, what this report contains, as you rightly mentioned, is a subject matter which has been submitted in a sealed cover. So before the Supreme Court peruses through it, the contents of what the suggestions are not yet in the public domain. But yes, going forward, how the Supreme Court views these suggestions that have been put forth in a sealed cover report by the Supreme Court set-up committee will be crucial insofar as breaking this logjam between the farmer bodies and the government is concerned. Remember, what had happened last time was this, that the Supreme Court had refused to intervene insofar as the protesting farmers were concerned. The Supreme Court had made a request for the farmers to shift their protest to an alternate venue, and subsequent to that, we have seen everything play out vis-a-vis the violences that had broken out on the 26th of January. But subsequent to that, the matter has not yet come up for hearing, Avni. So once the matter comes up for hearing, and once the Supreme Court really goes through this content of this report, we will get a clearer sense of which way this entire matter vis-a-vis the logjam between the farmer union and the government is headed.
All right, Meenakshi, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.